Okay, so we have this ground strap right here, right? It goes connected to the back of the engine right here in the back of the head. Okay, and right here also goes the dipstick tube that goes up and around this way for the transmission fluid. So the thing that I had a problem with is that I took it apart. The engine went out for a few weeks, and when it came back, I forgot where this went. So I looked on the forums. Excuse me. And so we got this ground wire right here. Got it connected to the back. Okay. Most videos on YouTube tell you that it goes right there. Right there. See that? But that's the old style. So I just want to put this video out there because nobody couldn't find it nowhere. So you guys could know where this wire goes. It goes to the back of the engine. Don't forget your grounds before you put it all back together. Back of the head,